We cannot be more sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. No valid plans for the future can be made by those who have no capacity for living now. You don't look out there for God, something in the sky, you look in you. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. The ego is nothing other than the focus of conscious attention. I owe my solitude to other people. Never pretend to a love which you do not actually feel, for love is not ours to command. Saints need sinners. You are that vast thing that you see far, far off with great telescopes. The reason we want to go on and on is because we live in an impoverished present. Reality is only a Rorschach ink blot, you know. Technology is destructive only in the hands of people who do not realize that they are one and the same process as the universe. Unless one is able to live fully in the present, the future is a hoax. We identify in our experience a differentiation between what we do and what happens to us. Omnipotence is not knowing how everything is done, it's just doing it. Trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth. A myth is an image in terms of which we try to make sense of the world. Faith is a state of openness or trust. The religious idea of God cannot do full duty for the metaphysical infinity. Religion is not a department of life, it is something that enters into the whole of it. What the devil is the point of surviving, going on living, when it's a drag? But you see, that's what people do. Wars based on principle are far more destructive. The attacker will not destroy that which he is after. In known history, nobody has had such capacity for altering the universe than the people of the United States of America. And nobody has gone about it in such an aggressive way. I have realized that the past and future are real illusions, that they exist in the present, which is what there is and all there is. To have faith is to trust yourself to the water. When you swim, you don't grab hold of the water, because if you do, you will sink and drown. Instead you relax and float.